So you've just signed a new client into your high-ticket coaching program, but after the first coaching call, they're left confused about what to do. On your next calls together, they're asking questions that really would have been answered in your course, but they haven't gone through it yet. A month later, the once excited client leaves your program. They're disappointed. They didn't know what to do. They didn't get the support that they felt like they needed. Look, I've helped dozens of people build premium coaching programs, letting them serve hundreds of high-ticket clients without getting overworked and without getting burnt out. And so I'm going to walk you through 5 systems that we follow to do exactly that, to set your clients and yourself up for success in your coaching program. The truth is, your clients don't want a course. They want results and they need implementation. And they're hiring you because they see you as the expert who can help them with their step-by-step individualized strategy. And so when we build out an offer, we want to make it as seamless as possible to get them to their desired result. So there's 5 systems that I'm going to help you integrate into your coaching offer to make it that premium experience. So number 1 is coaching. There's 2 types of calls that we need. So number 1 is an implementation-based call. This is deeper than just a group coaching or even a mastermind type of session. If you've ever been a part of a coaching program before and they had group calls, you'll probably remember that you left with notes and action items and lists of things that you wanted to do based on all of the information that you got. But that doesn't really help you because you didn't actually get anything done that would help you check things off your list. Now you're left with more things to do and even less time to actually do them in. And so this is how I structure an effective group coaching session that helps my people get a result and actually implement. And so here's a framework for how you can host a lesson. The first thing that you do is you do a type of lesson on one specific topic. This is usually 10 to 15 minutes tops. Okay, I used to make the mistake of doing an entire hour-long lesson on my calls, leaving my people with a bunch of notes and nothing done. We don't want to do that. So we do 10 to 15 minutes of a lesson, followed by either a working session, a deconstruction, a hot seat, something that's going to help them see how they may or may not be implementing the thing that you just taught a lesson on properly. And so we're going to help them tune it up, okay? Now, next, what we want to do is we want to either do a type of breakout room where they could work with a partner, or we want to do a workshop where they can implement something from your lesson so that they have something tangibly done and finished inside of their business or whatever it is that you teach them on. Okay, so we want to get something done. So they're actually leaving your call with a tangible thing implemented and finished from that session. You want to talk about high show-up rates on your calls is when they're not just given a laundry list of things that they need to do over the next week until your next call where you're going to give them even more homework, but they're getting that thing done and they're already feeling accomplished from that one session alone. And then you're ending with a Q&A. This is making sure if they have any questions from the lesson or what they implemented or how they're implementing it, that it gets resolved then and there and they're not going into the week with further questions. So that's the first type of call. It's more of a group coaching session, but it's a style that's a working session that gives them something tangible to have implemented in their business. The second type of call they need is they need one-to-one support. So regardless of if this is a one-to-one or a group coaching offer, to make this a premium experience, they need one-to-one support. They have specific questions. Their business or their whatever your niche is unique to them. And so by them having an expert's eye on what it is that they're doing for their unique strategy is unmatched in the industry, and you have to be adding this inside of your offer. So this is an element of one-to-one where they're getting strategy and support. Okay? This is helping them implement specifically to their unique situation. The second thing is done for you resources. This is not seen in the coaching industry, and I think that's a huge mistake. People are coming to you because you're an expert in the thing that you love and the thing that you're so good at. And so if you do something for your clients that's not in their zone of genius, but it is in yours, that's adding even more value and making your coaching experience that much more premium. And so I want you to think at some of the things you probably are already doing for your clients or have built out and could plug in that would be a good fit to just do for them. So an example of this, like for us, is we'll actually build out our clients' membership sites for them. And we'll actually build out their magnetic CRM account, which is powered by Go High Level. We're going to customize our snapshot for our clients. And that's so powerful because that's not their zone of genius, but it is ours. And so we just do it for them. And then we help them customize it, and we help them learn how to use it so that they're not reliant on us in our system. Another example is our clients who help their clients turn their Instagram followers into clients. And so what they'll do is they'll actually set up their clients' profiles, they'll set up their branding for their account, and they'll make sure that they're ready with social media templates to plug and play on their social media. And so they're just going to do that for them versus making their clients try to figure out how to do it. It's just something that they're going to provide. So start to think of, what could you provide that's going to make this a more premium experience that your expertise lies in and that you enjoy, that you could just do for your clients? Another example, I've worked with a YouTube coach who met with me every single week for an hour to help me figure out what are the hooks for the videos, how are we going to outline what the video actually has inside of it. So like the intro to this video was created with him helping me. And so he was doing that really with me, but doing it for me because he was typing it out as I was sharing my thoughts and my feelings around what I wanted to see in this episode. And so it was really heavy done with you, but he was typing it out for me so that I could just speak from the heart and he could pull it all together. Number 3 is a classroom or resource hub. Now, remember I said, your people don't want a course. Why? They don't want more things to do. They want to implement and they want to get their desired result. And so if we have a resource hub that's going to help them implement and get their desired result, that we can prescribe our clients as they need something, as we see fit, I see that being a much better use of a portal. So for example, if my client needs to know how to send their first newsletter, I could send them a video, it's 5 minutes long, I've already filmed, that's going to help you send your very first newsletter. So what I'll say is, hey, Sherry, here's a link. Go watch this video, and if you have any questions after you've done that, hit me up on Slack. And so that way, what did I do? I just saved that 5 minutes on our coaching session to help them with their own custom strategy. They can go watch a video I filmed once and is already done, and then they can come back and ask questions if they have any. Most of the time they don't, okay? So we're just prescribing them elements inside of our classroom that are going to help them implement to get their desired result. There needs to be some type of structure so that they know where you're taking them. In a premium program, it's not just week by week, we're just guessing what we're doing. No, there's a proven curriculum that we're following, showing them that we're taking them somewhere. And so we're following a proven structure. And this structure is unique to you in your coaching program, further positioning your program as a premium solution to solve their problem. Number 5 is community and gamification. So when your clients join your program, they want to know that they're not alone in having this problem. And so having a community, a place for them to all come together and start to lean on each other for support is wildly important. As you'll see, as you're growing this premium coaching program, you don't want to be the only one in the direct line of communication with your clients, because if that breaks, they're going to churn out, they're going to leave your program. But if they have relationships with other members and they're also staying for each other because they lean on each other for support, not just you, not only does that take some pressure off of you and take some time and give that back to you, but it's also building that sense of community, which is so important, especially in a digital world when people are from all over the globe and sometimes feel alone in what they're doing. But giving them that community where they can come together and they can be working towards a common solution is unmatched. And I feel in this industry, in the coaching industry, is going to be more and more important for you to be leveraging the community with your clients. So, and having gamification inside means that as they're engaging the community, as they're unlocking resources, we're not just giving them everything all at once, we're allowing them to strategically unlock things as they're needed in their journey within your program. Remember I said there was a structured roadmap? We're not just giving them everything on the roadmap the first day that they join. We're strategically unlocking things for them as they level up on their journey with you. And all of this can be done using School. That's where we're currently hosting our free community and our paid coaching offer. And the reason for that is it houses all of these elements inside of it beautifully. Alex Hormozy and Sam Ovens have done such a wonderful job of making sure that this platform has everything you need, nothing that you don't, in order to house a premium coaching experience. And so anybody who uses our affiliate link to sign up for your school, if you're like, I know that that's where I want to host my community, or just go check it out. If you join School using my affiliate link below, you'll unlock a 45-minute coaching session with me or a member of my team in order to help you get started and implement building out this offer on that platform. But I've used Kajabi, I've used ClickFunnels, I've used Go High Level for hosting a type of program like this, and to be honest, I've never seen anything like School in order to house a premium coaching experience. It is the place to do it. So definitely check out my link below if you're looking to house on something like School. So I hope this helps. Please take the time to set up your premium coaching experience now. It's going to help your clients get better results. It's going to take more pressure off of you. And long-term scalability wise, this is setting you up for a really solid business moving forward from a very scalable foundation. I'll see you in the next video.